This video is a voiceover video. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you the difference between Makartt and Modelones nail foil glue. I have all of these beautiful nail foil glues and this is not even a quarter of my collection, but let's see the designs I can create with these types. I am also going to show you on two different colors by Madame Glam. One is Perfect Black and the other one is Mochassino. So let's see what happens. I have already prepped the tips and applied base coat and cured it for 60 seconds. So let's start with this beautiful Galaxy nail foil. I always try to cut it to size, to the length of the nail. I cut too much, I waste so much product. Let's apply the nail foil glue by Makartt and cure it for 60 seconds. Time to apply this beautiful Galaxy nail foil. So I always start in the middle so it's evenly spread. The hardest part is spreading it in the corners as it's not a flat surface. But you just play with it and you just press it with your fingers till you think the product is spread evenly all over. Moment of truth, and it's absolutely beautiful. I prefer to put a matching color underneath so any imperfections are already covered. Just top coat it, cure it for 60 seconds, and your design is now complete. Let's try by Modelones. Same process, apply 10 coat of Modelones nail foil glue and cure it for 60 seconds. Same process, apply the nail foil glue and press it till all surface is applied to. I can't wait if this one is actually a good foil glue, as I've never used this brand before. You could see the nail foil is already coming off on the side by pressing it. So that means it's actually already been transferred to the actual nail. But now let's see what happens. Ay, ay, ay. So it did work pretty well, not as well as I hoped for. There is a lot more imperfections on the sides, in the middle, and especially on top. Let's try another color by Makartt nail foil glue. The same process, press it on, press, 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 till you are happy and you actually think that you covered the whole area, because you can't really see much. So you won't be able to see it till it's actually pulled off. Sometimes I do use this little silicone pusher thing. I use this also for a lot of acrylic 3D designs. It's helpful. I prefer to use my fingers. Okay, almost there, and I can't wait to see. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to see this gorgeous, gorgeous nail foil, how this comes out. I think that might be my actually next set. I love the combinations of yellow, greens, and blues, and this is the perfect season for that. So let's see what happens. That was so beautiful. It's just so gorgeous. Now you could see there's a little imperfection on the side, not right there. So it's easily fixed. You just take that color, press it, and you will not even be able to notice it. It's all done. So one little imperfection, that's not bad at all. At all. Let's try the other one. Nail foil glue by Modelones. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it properly. Well, it is what it is, right, guys? So let's see what happens with this one. Okay, let's see. Oh no. And again, that top never came out properly. Alright, so again, Modelone's nail foil glue. It's pretty okay, but it's not the best. You see a lot of the foil is missing on the sides and on the top. See the difference? Makartt on the left, Modelone's on the right. See the difference. So I absolutely prefer to stick with my Makartt. Mochaccino by Madame Glam and Makartt nail foil glue. So after applying the base, cure for 60 seconds, apply the color, cure for 60 seconds, apply the Makartt nail foil glue, cure for 60 seconds, a lot of curing, and then apply your favorite nail foil glue. So with this color, I chose this beautiful, colorful little flowers. I actually found this nail foil glue laying on the bottom of my drawer, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. So I can't wait to see how this comes out. Moment of truth. Oh, this is gorgeous. And everything came out so perfectly. No missing sides, no missing flowers. Maybe that blue one right there on the left corner. But it was beautiful. So now let's see what happens with Modelone's nail foil glue. Same step. Base coat, cure, color, cure, nail foil glue, cure, and then you apply your nail foil. And press, press, press till you think everything is transferred properly. And as you can see me doing this, I press pretty hard. And there's been times that I tried it on these little nail practice sticks, and I've actually broken them because I pressed so hard. I just wanted to make sure that it all gets transferred properly. Okay, Modelones nail foil glue, don't disappoint me. Oh, no. So it's not that bad, but you could see the sides. No. Another side also. So you see the difference now? Oh, I guess I'm sticking with my Makartt, and I probably said this like 5 different times, but I absolutely love that nail foil glue. It's so good. Now let's try to do a nail foil glue. Nail foil on a black nail. So I used Madame Glam Perfect Black and Makartt nail foil glue. Every step you cure for 60 minutes. Once you cure the nail foil glue, you apply your nail foil. And the same process, you keep on going. I know I'm repeating myself back and forth, but I know even when I watch some YouTube videos and I learn from you guys all the time, I sometimes tend to skip and I miss the directions on how to do something, and I actually have to go back. So, if you start watching in the middle, if you skip a little bit, you got the directions. So this is a beautiful snowflake nail foil. It's actually perfect for winter, but I am trying to see how this white nail foil will actually come out on a black nail. And moment of truth, and I can't wait. No, not moment of truth, not yet. Okay, let's keep on doing this. Now it's moment of truth. Oh, that looks so beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. Again, Makartt nail foil glue. Beautiful. So let's now try the same thing with nail foil glue by Modelones. Press, 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 and let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Oh, and what is all that stickiness film? Okay, now that's a little bit crazy. When I actually took this off the nail and I put it on my nail, it was a stickiness disaster. So I've never seen anything like it before, but it was all over my hands and I actually had to use acetone to get rid of it. You see it actually, it's not as perfect, but you could see like smudges. I guess maybe that's where the film came from. I'm not sure, but I was not happy. It's messy. Ay, ay, ay. Well, again, Makartt wins vs Modelones. Now let's see what we can do with just gel nail polish. So I put the base on. Now I'm applying this beautiful red by Madame Glam, and I'm curing it for 60 seconds. Now we're not using any of the nail foil glue. I'm just going to do this directly on the cured gel nail polish, just to show you what effect you actually get and how much of the stickiness you actually get from the gel polish itself. So you still can do it. You're not going to get a full coverage, but the effect is beautiful as well. It's more like a cracked kind of, if you ever used the nail polish, the crackle is it called? It kind of looks like that. It's still pretty. It's still pretty, so just wait. Wait and see. Oh, there we go. See? It doesn't really get much of the sides, but it really creates this beautiful design. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I was again able to help you choose a better product to use for your beautiful nails. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. I love your support. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for any new upcoming videos.